class. I am your English teacher Aditi Dev. As you all know that up to B exercise I have completed yesterday beta of lesson 2 subject and predicate chapter. Today I am going to start with your next exercise C of same chapter. So this work you all have to do in your English language fair copy children, and you have to complete it neatly, nicely and send it to me before 8:30 in your class groups, and complete your work before 8:30. And if you feel any problem you can ask me in the class group or personally also children. Okay, so let's start the video of lesson 2 exercise C beta. As you all know that yesterday I have completed exercise A, underline the subjects and circle the predicates in the following sentences, and exercise B, fill in the blanks with suitable subject or predicate children. Up to this I have finished. Now today I am going to start with exercise C. So in this, match the subject and predicate. One has been done for you. In this, subject is given in the left side and predicate is given in the right side children. So in this, one is done for you means these mangoes, this is the subject and you have to match it with the are very juicy. Like this, my mobile, you have to match it with the was ringing. Okay, like this you have to match the subject and the predicate. I am going to tell you how can you write in your English language fair copy children. Okay, so take out your English language fair copy beta. So this is your English language fair copy. Mention today's date, that is 29/4/21. Lesson 2 subject and predicate and exercise C. At the right side classwork children, and write down the heading with the black pen. Match the subject and predicate. One has been done for you. This is given in the question. So subject are given at the left side and predicate you have to complete match with the correct with the subject. Okay, so these mangoes are very juicy. This one is given in the book also. So second match is my mobile was ringing. So this is the correct predicate. So you can write in front of this, my mobile was ringing. So you can write in the front of that only. Okay, next is a pilot. Next, so predicate is flies an aeroplane. You all know that pilot work is to fly the aeroplane. So a pilot flies an aeroplane. So this is the predicate according to the subject, like this. Okay, next is stars. Stars shine brightly at night. You all know, na? So you can match stars with the shine brightly at night children. Okay, next is the bottles were full of milk. So the bottles is the subject and were full of milk is the predicate children. Okay, come to the next, the prime minister. So the prime minister addresses the nation from the Red Fort on Independence Day. You all watch this video in your television at the day of 15 August. Na? So the prime minister addresses the nation from the Red Fort on Independence Day children. So this is the correct predicate according to the subject. Okay, next is Rapunzel. Rapunzel, you all know it is a fairy tale story which is about a girl had long hair. Na? So this is the correct predicate according to this. The Rapunzel had long hair in the fairy tale beta. So you can match it right like this. Next is the magazine. So the magazine contains beautiful pictures. So this is the subject and this is the correct predicate. So write it in front of that beta. Next is discipline. Discipline is important to be successful. If you maintain discipline in your life, you can be successful in your future also. Okay, so discipline is important to be successful beta. Okay, next is a honeybee. A honeybee, you know that it collects the honey and sometimes it sting also, na? So a honey bee stung me on my foot. So you can complete it like this. So you have to complete this work in your English language copy. Again, I am telling you that you have to do this work in your English language copy and show me it before 8:30. Write it neatly, nicely. Use like this blue and black pen. And if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, beta. And this is your homework that you have to revise this exercise properly, and A and B also. Okay, this is your today's homework. Okay, so complete it. Okay, and check the spellings also, that you have written it like this, same as I have completed, and also learn it, beta. Okay, thank you.